Why do you want to transition into tech, into cloud computing, but you're not just sure of the role that suits your skills, that suits your passion, that suits where you thrive? And you have been searching, you have been trying all sorts of roles, trying DevOps engineering, trying cloud engineering, doing some programming languages, and nothing fits. You spend time, you spend resources, you spend money, you spend your energy. It keeps draining you. Year in, year out, you keep switching, learning this new tool, doing this and that. But still, you don't still see where your breakthrough is going to come from. With that in mind, and based on many questions people ask me, I created an app with Party Rock called My Cloud App. What it does is that you put in some basic information about yourself, and then based on that, it is linked to a Bedrock and LLM that synchronizes with it and finds the best option for you with some recommendations. So in the link below, you have a form. First thing is to fill your basic information so you know who you are. And when you fill the information and you click submit, you will land here. This is where the real thing starts. What I'm going to do now is to assume a role that most people think is the end. Let me think of a plumber. So, example, what's your name? I'll just put John. My current role. Here you can be a bank teller, a nurse, a teacher, or an accountant. I'll put plumber here. I'm a plumber. My country, let me put Cameroon. My years in experience, let's say I've been there for 15 years because that's something that I've been doing my whole life. And when do you want to make this transition? Since I'm a plumber, I don't have much digital skills. I'll give myself 1 year. Let's say 1 year. What are you passionate about? As a plumber, I'm passionate about cleanliness, people staying clean, because plumbing is all about taking the mess out, right? I don't know about, but I know that a plumber wants to be in a neat environment. People staying clean, um, helping people where others fail. I'll leave it at that. But okay, it's also here to say that you're not sure about it, right? You can say you're not sure about it, but write something. You should be passionate about something. Then, what is your purpose or legacy? This question is because your legacy is what you want to be remembered for. If you want to be remembered for something, the thing that is driving you into this path, write it here. Let's say, like here, that there are some helpers. They say, what impact do you want to make? What do you want to be remembered for? What impact do I want to make? I want the ecosystem to remain stable. I want people to remember me as the passionate caretaker. I don't know why I'm saying this, but just know that you must not have some particular set of words. It must not be high tech. Just be very down to earth and sincere with yourself. Now, what excites you about tech? The speed at which things are being done, automation, and working from anywhere. Now, what how do you work best? With people, solo, deep focus, under pressure, leading teams? I work best with people and sometimes need to be solo for thinking and ideation. Let's leave it at that. Your dream role, where you see yourself in 2 to 3 years. Again, I'm just being very low key here. I will say I am not sure I want to be in a role that suits my skill sets. A role that gives me time to be with the family. A role where I decide on my time to work. Okay, let's just be very, very bold here. Now, your biggest fear about transitioning into tech. Okay, this is the most common one. I am afraid of not making it. I am afraid failure will stop me. I am afraid of not being the right person to switch to tech. Okay, now when you're finished with this, what it's going to say is your personalized cloud career path is personalized to you based on these basic inputs that we've given here. Now, this is German, right? So it says app spiel. I'm going to play the app, right? I'm going to click here and it's going to take some time. Oh, why should I register? Okay, let me just go Google and mail. Nope. Let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back. I think I clicked on the wrong button. Please save my content. Oh, they weren't saved. So I'm going to be, no, let's not do this again. I'm just going to go to Party Rock here. Yeah, I'll go here and take this one out. And here I'll just be very, very clear. Here I said John. Here I said plumber. Here I said Cameroon. Yes, an experience we said 15. I said 1 year. I said I love automation. Okay, I love solving problems. But that's what the plumber does, right? Everybody solves problems. What is your purpose or legacy? People should remember me as the person who solved their problems. What excites you about tech? No, this answer, I have to cut it from here. This answer is not supposed to be here. Oh, come on. I'm going to take all of this. Let me do the traditional cut and paste. Ausschneiden, here einfügen. Good. Now, what are your passions? Yeah, you still love helping people. Who doesn't? I love helping people. Uh, I love working in teams and also solo during ideation. Okay. What dream role do you see yourself? A role where I decide when and where to work. A role where I can spend more time with my family. A role where I earn more money. That is very important. And a role where I feel fulfilled and my potential to great use. Okay, let's leave it at that. Your biggest fear, fear of failure. Let's leave it at that as well. Now, it says here that, let me play it from here. Oh man, why do you want me to register? Okay, let's just go ahead and register. Okay, with Amazon and Melden. I'll go with Amazon. Uh, this is me. I'll just go here and click. You all should not see my password. Okay, one second. Let me get my phone. Getting my phone. So you all see that sometimes things fail, but it doesn't go as planned. You don't give up. You just keep coming back to it. So let me get my phone. I have 40 something more seconds. They sent me a code via email. Get your code, get your code, get your code. Yeah. 25 more seconds. Oh my gosh. Come on, my phone is so slow. Come on, phone. Come on, phone. 10 seconds. Ha ha ha. I hope I get to make it. There's no code here. Where is the code? I hope I not go to my spam. Where is my code? Oh my god. Where is the code? Was sent to this phone. There's no code here, people. Where is my code? This is weird. Okay, I have the code now. I hope this is actual 1 8. Okay, 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 okay. Now, yes, we have that. I'm still signed in. Sind bereit für Abspielen. So now we see the results. You have to be patient, right? Exercise patience. Hey, John, after 15 years as a plumber, you have been solving complex problems under pressure, reading technical systems, and delivering results that people depend on every single day. Those those same instincts, diagnosis, issues, managing pipelines. Yes, pipelines. You have a sense of humor too. Yeah, read this. It's very interesting. And it says that translating directly into cloud infrastructure and DevOps work. John, the cloud world is literally built on the same logic being you have been living. Keep the flow moving, fix what's broken and build systems that work. So these are the alternatives for a plumber. Just see. Cloud support engineer. Why this fits? Your passion for helping people and your purpose for being the person who solves problems makes the role feel tailor made for you. What you will do, you help businesses resolve cloud infrastructure issues, answer technical support tickets, and ensure client systems stay online and optimized. This is your salary range. Since you're in Cameroon, right? You're paid from 800 to 2. Yeah, this is if you find the best employer or someone who values your skills. So you can also do cloud automation engineering, solutions, architect consulting. Now, you see, it also gives you your 90-day quick start and your pattern breaker moments. I won't make this video so long. I want you all to see what this is capable of. It would have been shorter if not for that I needed to register and do some other things. But if you're interested, no matter what role you're in, we use a plumber here and you see a plumber can break into tech. If you're willing, if you want to do it, if you feel scared and want more information, shoot us a DM. Give me, you know where to find me. You can find me on LinkedIn when I'm in me, Inda or Cloud or Mentorship Matters Africa on all the social media platforms. The cloud is meant for everyone. Cloud computing, everyone can do it. We already have the skills. So what's stopping you? Not you. Don't be the person standing in your way. So reach out and we'll be very happy to assist you on this journey. Bye.